Compensation function. Compensation means it's a salary and wage administration. Salary and wage not on not on fixed, not on basis of employee personal needs. Salary and wage won't be fixed on the basis of employee personal need. Sir, I'm having uh, so much family burden, so I want to ask, this is the salary I'm going to ask. It won't be paid. Salary and wage always fixes on the basis of employee skills, on the basis of employee ability, employee knowledge only. You are having a lot of skills, you can get more and more salary. So salaries and wage always fixed on the basis of employee skills and abilities, knowledge only. Salary won't be fixed on the basis of employee personal needs and personal problems. So salary are going to be fixed on the basis of employee job description. So what are the job description, what are the roles is going to do in an organization, what kind of activities, what kind of jobs are going to do in an organization. That is also one of the criteria for fixing employee salary. So his qualification also one of the important criteria, one of the important criteria. So his qualification and how many years experience in business is also very important. His qualification, his experience also very important for fixing the salary. So salary and wage always fixed on the basis of employee skills, employee ability, knowledge, his qualification, his experience, his various jobs performed in an organization only. It is the way for fixing compensation, salary and wages for all employees. So next one, fourth one is integration. Integration is concerned with the attempt to effect reconciliation of individual, organizational and social interest. So individual interest is there, organizational interest is there, social interest also is there. Integration means integration is concerned with the attempt to effect reconciliation of individual, organizational and social interest. So the human resource management, the fourth integration functions, individual interest should be fulfilled and organizational interest should be fulfilled and social interest should be fulfilled. So what are the interesting of individual, what are the interest of organization, what are the interest of social? So first you try to understand, you try to fulfill those individual, organizational and social interest only. This is integration. And last one is maintenance. The function deals with the sustaining and improving conditions that have been established. Better working conditions. So better working conditions mean employee is very willing to work in an organization because their better working conditions is there. So establishing of health, sanitation and safety standards. It's a good health working conditions. Where organization is following good health working conditions, good working condition, the employees are very happy to work in a organization. So the maintenance is also very important. So the organization wants to provide better conditions and better working atmosphere in organization. So automatically employees are very willing to work in organization. There is no good working conditions. The employee doesn't want to work in organization. They want to move this company to another company because there is no proper working conditions. Proper welfare activities we have to provide, safety we have to provide, health also we have to provide, proper sanitation is also very important. These are the providing good organization, better working conditions. So maintenance means we have to provide better working conditions. Automatically employee want to work in a organization, they can give you more efforts, more and more contribution to the organization. So we have to provide better working conditions by the way of providing safety, welfare, health. So this is the maintenance function, this is the operative functions of human resource management. Thank you so much.